Hey guys, before we start, please like and subscribe, then click the notification bell icon for more video. You'll be updated. If you are looking for ways to make money on the internet, you are one of thousands. As the internet continues to expand, so does the competition, making it difficult to have success. However, despite the stiff competition, there are a number of ways you can make money at home. Here are 6 ways you can make money at home today. 1. Start a website. Starting a website is crucial if you want to make money on the internet today. There are a number of ways you can make money through your website, from affiliate programs to selling your own product to online advertising. Having a website is the basis to having success through your own home. 2. Freelance jobs. Freelance jobs are becoming increasingly popular online because of the flexibility and options you have to make money on the internet. Freelance jobs allow you to make money doing something that you are already good at, as opposed to learning a whole new career. There are a number of freelance jobs that are available online, including freelance writing, ebook writers, graphic designing, and copywriting. 3. Online advertising. As mentioned above, online advertising is a great way to make money at home. The best way to go about making money through advertising is by setting up Google Ads or Yahoo Ads. Google AdSense is by far the most common, and if used properly, it can be a real money maker. 4. Sell your own product. Selling your own product can potentially make you the most money, but it is the most time-consuming and most difficult way to make money on the internet. There is a great deal of research, planning, advertising, and promoting that is involved with selling your own product. However, if you are motivated and determined, the reward is worth the work. 5. Affiliate programs. Affiliate programs are great ways to make money online, but it is a method that should be combined with other things. While you can make a decent amount through selling other people's stuff, it is difficult to make a decent income solely through affiliate programs. 6. Article writing. There are a couple of ways you can make money at home with article writing. The first way is to use article writing as an advertising method. By placing your website link in the resource box, you can direct people who read your article to your website. The other option is to set up an article writing business and write articles for other people's websites. It doesn't take much to get a business going, but the difficult part is getting the word out about your business. There are literally hundreds of ways to make money at home, but these are some of the more common methods used today. Keep in mind that there is nothing wrong with combining a few of these methods to help make money at home quicker. Don't forget to subscribe.